In this video, I'll show you how you can add liquidity to Uniswap pools and start earning Uni token rewards. Plus, I'll show you how you can claim your Uni tokens. Welcome to Everybit Helps. I hope you find today's video useful, and if you do, then please give it a like and share. Plus, for the latest information on Uniswap, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. It's just been announced that Uniswap have now released their Uni token, a token used for governance actions in the Uniswap protocol. I've recently created a video providing an overview of the Uni token, as well as explaining how to claim via their airdrop. So please check out that video if you want to find out more. However, during Uniswap's announcement, they also stated that 4 liquidity mining pools will open for Uni rewards, and these are now available. They include USDT, DAI, USDC, and WBTC pools, each earning an allocation of 5 million Uni over the course of the next 2 months. And this breaks down to be 83,333.33 Uni per pool per day. So let's see how we can pool and start earning Uni tokens now. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Uniswap site and connect up your wallet. And I've got a full tutorial available for Uniswap if you need a little bit of extra help, although some of the screens may appear slightly different. And we'll head over to the Uni tab now. And as you can see, you can deposit your liquidity provider or LP tokens to receive Uni, the Uniswap protocol governance token. And as I said earlier, we'll want to add liquidity to either the USD, USDC, DAI or WBTC pools. And the pool rate per week is split evenly between all 4. However, obviously, the deposits will differ. At the moment, DAI has the least total deposited and WBTC have the most. Now, I don't personally hold any stablecoins. Therefore, I'll be providing liquidity to the WBTC pool today. However, if it stayed like this, you could potentially get less rewards for being in this pool. But I'm going to go ahead and deposit. And as you can see, it states here that after you've deposited into the ETH-WBTC pool, you can stake your liquidity tokens on this page. So let's go ahead and add our ETH-WBTC liquidity now. And I'm going to deposit the max or full balance now of WBTC, as I have less WBTC than Ethereum in this wallet. And an equal share of my Ethereum here will then appear. And if you wanted to participate in this pool, but you don't have the required tokens, you can go to swap and exchange them. However, with gas fees so high, it might be worth considering using a centralized exchange, such as the likes of Binance or Coinbase Pro, who now both have the Uniswap tokens available on their exchange. So with Coinbase Pro, you can buy this with USD and then transfer this for free to your chosen wallet. And Binance have several trading pairs available with trading fees of just 0.1%. But they're just options if you didn't mind trading with centralized exchanges. And as with most DeFi platforms, you'll need to approve the token. And at the moment, that's going to cost me $5.27. But if you wanted to edit that, you can use that in conjunction with ETH Gas Station. And as you can see, the ETH gas fees are huge here, with a high of just over 460 Gwei. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And now I've approved, I can continue to supply. This transaction is going to cost me $13, which isn't too bad. However, I've had quite a few failed transactions today, so I'm going to change this to fastest, just so that it goes through with no failures. Now, one tip I'd personally give is not to skimp to try and save on gas fees, as potentially along with the slippage, it could fail anyway, and you'll end up having to pay fees twice either way. And that transaction went through almost immediately. And I'm going to have a quick check over on Etherscan now. And as you can see, it's cost me just over $12. And once you've added to the pool, and it's confirmed, you'll then have the LP tokens that are required to deposit into the participating pools under the Uni tab. So if I now go ahead and click onto the Deposit Uni version 2 LP tokens, and I'll be depositing the max here and should earn 8.5 Uni per week. I'll then need to approve, again paying another gas fee. And then I can finally deposit and pay yet another gas fee. So I should be earning 8.5 Uni per week, and at the current price of around $5.50 per token, I should break even after a week. But then we need to consider withdrawing and any additional fees in here too. Therefore, with all of that, I should be earning profit within 2 weeks. Now this won't necessarily be the same for you, as it will depend on your input amount and the pool. Another potential way to add liquidity would be using Zapper.fi, which I've got a full tutorial for. From the dashboard, if you head over to Invest, in here you can see the pool you're interested in, and go ahead and click Add Liquidity. You'll then enter the amount just in ETH, and it will then split your funds between the two tokens automatically without the need to swap first. You can also change the transaction and the slippage tolerance in here too. And this is just an option. However, I haven't personally tried this, and I can't say 100% you'll get your Uni tokens, so it may just be something that you'll need to look into. Then the second part of this tutorial will be to show you how to claim your Uni tokens. Now with Ethereum gas fees so high, I wasn't able to claim my Uni tokens in my previous tutorial, so I thought I'd just show me claiming those now. And this is available for those interacting with the Uniswap protocol prior to the 1st of September 2020. I'm going to go ahead and claim my tokens now. And to do so, I'll need to pay a gas fee, which again were at a high of 465 Gwei. So I tried to skimp and paid 400 Gwei. It then took ages and ended up failing anyway, costing me $13. So I went back in and tried again when fees were lower and ended up costing me $6 in total. I've now managed to claim those tokens, and they're showing as a balance at the top of the screen here. So that concludes how you can participate in pools and start to earn Uni token rewards. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.